my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and if you don't know me, my name is Aishwarya, and today I'm going to do a small Dollar Tree haul, and also I'll be adding some items which I bought from Micheals as well. Like it's just 2 or 3 items, and also please ignore the background noise and everything. So my cat is also roaming around, and there's also rain. So yeah, with that being said, let's just begin with the video. So let's just begin with the Michaels haul, because it's only just 3 items. The first item is this Glue Gun adhesive remover. So this, I have heard so many things about this, so I wanted to use it. So this will remove gum, tree sap, glue, sticker adhesive, um, and candle wax, crayon, tape, etc. So that's that. And the next item is this Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks. So I already have, I just kind of collect this whenever I go to Michael. And the next item is actually a collection of items. Basically, it's these letters. So it says B. And I have so many of them. So let me see. That's A. E. So I have almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 of them here. So these were just for 99 cents. That was really good, so I kind of picked these up. And yeah, that's all for the Michaels haul. So let's just begin with the Dollar Tree haul. So the first item I have here is this Crafter Square black canvas. I bought this to do some artwork or for some DIY. And the next item I have here is this vanity organizer. This is something new. I haven't seen in this shape where you have 3 compartments. I felt this is really good, so I just bought it. And the next thing is this glue gun pad. So I always use some cardboard piece when I keep the glue gun. But I feel this is very useful, and this is silicone. And the next item I got in here is this plates. These are those party plates which is small, and you get 8 in them. I got this for the DIYs, so I have something in plan, so I thought I can use this there. And the next thing I bought is this wall art, which is really good. I really like this, so I thought why not, let's go ahead and get it. And the next item is actually my husband's. So I still have more. This is this Matchbox car, and I guess this is the Tesla model. So yeah, I have one more of these, so let me show that too. And yeah, this is also Tesla. The next, oh, there is one more, and even this is Tesla. So these 3 are of my husband's. So, and the next item is this metallic marker. You get 4 of them here, so which is good. I have used metallic markers before, but never from the Dollar Tree. So this is a Dollar Tree brand, so I thought why not, let's go ahead and give it a try. And the next one is this Sharpie Mystic Gem Fine Permanent Marker. So this is in this color. It's really good. I mean, I have used this brand before, so. The next item is this pizza cutter. This Dollar Tree haul is actually very random. I had something in mind and I just picked some items for that, and I already have some items with me already. So the next item is the paper napkins in this pattern. So I really like this pattern, so that's the reason I got 2. So it's this pattern. And I really liked it. So I want to use this in some of the DIYs which I'm going to do, and I felt this pattern really works for those. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And you get 25 paper napkins in one pack. And then, sorry, I had two more items from Micheals as well, which I forgot to show, and I found it here. So that is this stamps, which I got it for just $1.99 each, which is really good. So you get this camera, world map, and what is the other one? Oh, and love this place and let's go. I really like this one because you can use it in so many places. And the next one says, from me to you with love, for you, original handcrafted and limited edition. This is also really good find, which was in clearance. I don't know why, but. And these two are from Micheals. Sorry, I did not find it back then, so I just found it. So back to Dollar Tree again. So the next item from Dollar Tree is this picture frame, but I really like this shape, so that's the reason I got. So the back looks like this. I want to do a DIY using this. Again, I have something in mind, so stay tuned for that. They also had in black, so I got this color because it's easy to paint. And the next item I got is this assorted food color. And again, this is also for the DIY. And this is a fresh coffee filter. You get 150 of them. And again, so there will be so many more exciting DIYs in the future, so stay tuned for that. And this is nothing special, it's just a toothbrush. I wanted to use it to clean some of my silverware. So, and the next item is actually new. I mean, I did not know Yardley had a candle, so I got in English lavender. It smells really good. And the next one is lemon verbena. This is how it looks. And the next one is berry blossom. I really like this one. So they have the berry blossom is actually relaxing, and the lemon one is actually uplifting, and the lavender is obviously calming. And yeah, and the last two items are this Jurassic Park bath bomb with the mystery inside, so I got two of them. So this also has mystery in them, so I thought let's give it a try. So yeah, and this is pineapple scented and this is mango scented. So yeah, so that's all for this mini Dollar Tree and Micheals haul. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this as much as I did. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also do follow me on Instagram at simply DIY, which I'll be leaving down here and also down in the description for you guys to go ahead and check it out. Yeah, with that being said, you guys have a great day. Bye.